There are a lot of crypto trade companies and products on the market that are spraying, growing, and then dying in their own product life cycle. To get a better idea of one of these companies, let's look further into the altcoin Heavenly Lumens. Here, you can learn about XML and Heavenly Light's price predictions and in-depth research. Heavenly is an open-source blockchain network for managing and exchanging digital cash. If you want to learn more about how it got started, you can look at how the company's framework was built. At first, Jed McCallum and Joyce Kim worked together to create a site called Secret Bitcoin Task to look for alpha testers. In 2015, Jed McCallum officially released it. In Heavenly's financial system, backers can make, send, and swap electronic copies of all kinds of money, such as rupees, euros, pounds, dollars, pesos, and so on. They can also send and receive cryptographic money. Bitcoin went further as a different way to measure money. Heavenly also has its own automated local cash, called the Lumen. It explicitly promotes or favors no money, but it does make almost all traditional forms of money in this dispersed financial system more useful and available to everyone all the time, or at least a similar advanced symbolic cash can be made for all types of money. For example, a US dollar on Heavenly cost is shown as a dollar token, so this is how things have been. When someone stores a traditional form of money, it is stored as a dollar token. This business does not have any backers. So, this framework can be committed to the success of the Heavenly Matrix as a neutral, fair, and public organization. This means that the overall power of the Heavenly framework grows with the addition of each new organization and engineer to its framework or organization. Heavenly is a free system with no central command or power, but even without that, the records on the system are checked and updated regularly. This means that no one can mess with or break the system, and even though it is a public organization, no one can secretly change the numbers on their own. Still, a summary of the value estimate for XLM Heavenly Lumens is the local digital currency of Heavenly, which is a blockchain platform that lets people trade digital money for government-issued money. Heavenly Lumens is an altcoin digital currency that trades under the symbol XLM on exchanges. Heavenly Lumens was first introduced in 2014, and according to the most current research report from September 2020, it has been one of the top 20 digital currencies since then. Heavenly Lumens is the coin used on the Heavenly Company's blockchain platform. At the moment, the XLM price is around 20 cents, and all other altcoins, including Heavenly Lumens, have their own benefits, such as being fast and easy to use. Smart simple cash trade that works open, decentralized platform with a simple, consistent exchange system, etc. On the other hand, it has its own problems, such as the fact that mining is impossible because it doesn't use the proof-of-work system and isn't generally accepted as a payment method. A focused look at the lumens of heaven, the price of XLM digital currency was 7 cents or 0.0800 prox in October 2020, according to reports. This is based on research into XLM coins' history and future prices, as well as information about what Heavenly prices will be like soon after its underlying coin offering on September 15, 2014. The XLM price was $0, then it went down and was at its lowest at $0 again. In mid-2018, the price of XLM reached a record high of 94 cents for a short time, but then it went back down to $0 again. Then, in 2022, the cash started going down in a big way, and he gave a view of the future value of XLM. The value of digital money has been going up, so investing in it could be a good idea in the long run. The price of Heavenly XLM is expected to be 1.56 over the next 5 years, so it could be a good long-term investment. 2023 to 2030 Heavenly Lumens price prediction from the point of view of the business experts and researchers of this field of digital money prices as well as the financial biological system shows that investors can see XLM as an altcoin that will give huge investment returns by looking at the price history and the Heavenly Lumens price cage. People often say that the Heavenly XLM cost could surprise everyone and become a strong contender in the game. Heavenly Lights are worth the wait. 2023, the Heavenly Lumens could keep going up, and by the end of that year, it would be able to touch the heavenly price of 13 cents. The high for 2023 could be around 19 cents, while the low could be around 8 cents. Hope for Heavenly Value 2024. According to Heavenly Lumens predictions for 2024, money could reach 17 cents by the end of the year. The high for the year could be around 21 cents, and the low could be around 14 cents. XLM Value Forecast 2025. According to the Heavenly Lights price prediction for 2025, the coin could reach a high of 25 cents and a low of 16 cents. Based on what we expected by the end of 2025, the average price of an XLM may be around 20 cents. Taking into account the size of the specialized test market, the expected cost of XLM, and what's coming next, year's future cost, the market prediction for XLM USD showed that this digital currency could be expected to grow a lot sooner rather than later, and the goal was to grow even more than what was said to be possible. How much XLM will cost? Target Heavenly XLM price prediction for 2026. By the end of 2026, the heavenly price is expected to reach 28 cents. The high for 2026 could be around 34 cents, and the low could be around 22 cents. Expect heavenly value in 2027. The price of XLM is expected to reach 37 cents by the end of 2027. The high for 2027 could be around 44 cents, while the low could be around 29 cents. Heavenly XLM price prediction for 2028. By the end of 2028, the price of a holy lumen is expected to reach 45 cents. The high for 2028 is expected to be around 54 cents, and the low could be around 35 cents. Heavenly cryptocurrency worth prediction for 2029. By the end of 2029, the heavenly cost is expected to reach 60 cents. The high for 2029 is expected to be around 73 cents, and the low is expected to be around 47 cents. XLM value expectation 2030. By the end of 2030, the price of an XLM is likely to reach 75 cents. Based on what we know about how much Heavenly Lights will cost in 2030, the high could be around 91 cents, and the low could be around 59 cents. The Descent's alternative coin is XLM.